Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
6 common phrasal verbs with toss. Like and subscribe to the channel. Toss around. Meaning, to discuss or think about ideas. Example, we were tossing around ideas for the project. Toss aside. Meaning, to discard or reject something. Example, she tossed aside her old clothes. Toss back. Meaning, to drink quickly, usually referring to alcohol. Example, he tossed back a shot of whiskey. Toss out. Meaning, to throw away or discard. Example, I need to toss out these old magazines. Toss up. Meaning, to decide something by flipping a coin. Example, let's toss up to see who goes first. Toss in. Meaning, to include or add something casually. Example, you can toss in some extra spices to the recipe. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications,